Hello, good morning students. Welcome once again in 10th standard biology, chapter control and coordination. Yesterday we had discussed about the introduction of control and coordination, meaning of the chapter title, and we had discussed about the stimulus and stimuli. Once again, coordination, working together of various organ systems. Working together of various organ systems in a living organism is called coordination. Stimulus or stimuli. Stimuli are those environmental factor in response to which our body react. यानी कि स्टिमुलाई वो एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिसके रेस्पॉन्ड में हमारी बॉडी क्या करती है, रिएक्ट करती है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर हम किसी फ्लैश लाइट में जाएं तो हमारी आइज क्या होती है, ब्लिंक होती हैं. दैट इज ड्यू टू द एक्सेस लाइट. सो लाइट इज द स्टिमुलाई. अब इसमें एक वर्ड है रेस्पॉन्ड. इस चैप्टर में आएगा रेस्पॉन्ड. मींस रेस्पॉन्ड इज दैट एक्टिविटी विच इज डन इन रेस्पॉन्स टू स्टिमुलाई. मींस रेस्पॉन्ड वो एक्टिविटी है जो किसी भी स्टिमुलस के अकॉर्डिंग बॉडी में होती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अगर मैं कोई गर्म चीज पे हाथ रखूं तो हॉट हो गया स्टिमुलाई, और मैं जो हाथ हटाऊंगा दैट इज कॉल्ड रेस्पॉन्ड. ओके, नाउ वेलकम बैक इन कोऑर्डिनेशन. कोऑर्डिनेशन इज द वर्किंग टुगेदर ऑफ वेरियस ऑर्गन सिस्टम्स इन ए लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म. Coordination in organism takes place by two means. Coordination, first is the nervous coordination. Nervous coordination. And second is the chemical coordination. Nervous coordination and chemical coordination. Nervous coordination takes place by the neurons. Nervous coordination takes place by the neurons, and the system responsible for this is the nervous system. Neurons for the nervous coordination takes place by the three means. Second is central nervous system. Central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomic nervous system. Autonomous nervous system. In central nervous system there are two things, brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, two. First one is spinal nerve and cranial nerves. Autonomic nervous system further divided, sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic. Chemical coordination takes place by the chemicals called hormones. Listen, coordination, working together of various organ systems in a living organism is called coordination. Coordination takes place by the two means, nervous coordination and chemical coordination. Nervous coordination takes place by a special cell that is called neuron, and chemical coordination takes place by certain chemicals called hormones. Nervous coordination further divided into three parts: central nervous system, peripheral nervous system, and autonomous nervous system. In central nervous system there are two things, brain and spinal cord. Peripheral nervous system, peri means चारों, means जो nervous जो nervous system जो हमारी body के पूरे peripheral surface पे, that is called peripheral. In this there are two things, spinal nerves and cranial nerves. There are 11 pairs of cranial nerves and 31 pair of spinal nerves. Autonomous nervous system, for the autonomous nervous system जो means self regulated है, जिसमें हमारी कोई फीलिंग नहीं रहती. ये फर्दर डिवाइड टू पार्ट्स में, सिंपैथेटिक एंड पैरासिम्पैथेटिक. तो जो आपके सिलेबस में जो आएगा वो तो आएगा सेंट्रल नर्वस सिस्टम, ब्रेन मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, हार्मोन सिस्टम, एंडोक्राइन सिस्टम मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट, and introduction of the spinal and function of parts of the brain. So that was all today, for today. Today we had discussed about the control and coordination, introduction and meaning of chapter title, stimuli, stimulus, respond, coordination, types, chart of coordination. Tomorrow we will discuss about the unit of the nervous system, that is called neuron, and further we will discuss about the structure of the brain. So that was all for today, and tomorrow we will discuss about the neurons and the brains. Thank you.